we're going to explain how to open your Bosch washing machine door mid-cycle. It's important to understand that this isn't always possible, and attempting to force the door open could damage your machine. However, there are situations where safely opening the door mid-cycle might be necessary. First, let's look at why the door locks during a cycle. 1. Safety is the primary reason. The door lock prevents accidental opening while the machine is operating, protecting you from hot water, spinning clothes, and potential injury. 2. The electronic control system manages the locking mechanism, ensuring it only unlocks under appropriate conditions. Now, let's explore the situations where you might need to open the door and the steps to do it safely. 1. If you've added items you forgot, you might need to open it. In this case, wait for the machine to finish its current phase, which usually will unlock it, such as the pre-wash phase or drain phase. 2. If there is a power failure, that sometimes unlocks the door. Once the power is restored, the machine will likely restart from the point of interruption. 3. If it's an emergency, such as a small child or pet got locked in the machine, you may need to intervene. This requires immediate action. To open a Bosch washing machine door mid-cycle, the first step is to turn the machine off. This usually involves pressing the power button. This may not instantly unlock the door, as the safety mechanism might still be engaged. 2. Next, check your washing machine's manual. The manufacturer's instructions will provide specific guidance for your model, which may include emergency release steps. 3. Some Bosch models have an emergency release mechanism, often located near the door locking mechanism or below the control panel. This mechanism might be a small button, lever, or even a keyhole for a special tool. 4. If you locate an emergency release, carefully follow the instructions in your manual. Often, you'll need to use a small tool, like a flathead screwdriver or a special key, to engage the release. 5. Bear in mind, some newer models have safety features that prevent the door from opening even if the power is off until the water level is lowered sufficiently. There is often a small drain pump for this purpose that can be initiated. 6. It's extremely important to note that forcing the door open is strongly discouraged. Forcing the door can permanently damage the locking mechanism or other components of your appliance. 7. If you are unable to open the door using these steps, please contact a qualified appliance repair technician. Remember, safety should always come first. Do not attempt to open the door unless you are fully confident in your ability to do so safely and without causing damage. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions and safety